Hello, good people. How you was doing? Welcome back to this YouTube channel, guys. Wahala no dey finish, as you all know. Wahala no dey finish, oh, everyday problem. Welcome back to this YouTube channel, guys. Mommy Flourish TV. Please, if you are new to this my channel, please do subscribe to Mommy Flourish TV show. Subscribe to this very channel, guys, and also follow me on my page, Mommy Flourish TV. And also follow me on my TikTok. Okay, guys. Love you all so much. Thank you, and God Almighty bless you. Please, my people, like that very video when I just did. Now see, if I dey talk, they'll say this girl too dey talk, I know wetin I dey talk. I know, I know wetin I dey talk, because this life, you no get two, na only one I get. If person don't die, he don't die. You know they come back again. So for this our sister, when I want to talk, so this is another sister from Ghana. Now see say all those problems not be even one place they all the whole country. Yes, it dey everywhere. This very lady, so now go see your picture right there. She just give her whole husband RIP. She just give her RIP. My people, ask me why. Ask me why. No be, it still be like that same video when I just did. It still be like, because okay, fine, you dey follow man, he come marry you, the man come dey maltreat am. That this one is just na wetin lead to this harrow episode. He just dey follow am. Okay, this man come dey shit on am. They go outside, they carry different women. No, they even sleep outside. You know they sleep outside. Sorry guys. Every time na outside they come dey sleep. They carry different women. Meanwhile, I get wife for us. This is wife, so he don't tell am say this thing I no like am. E no dey okay for me. No, the man no rest. He continue. You know, say some men they actless, as in they no even get pity for person. They no even they get that feeling. Say yes, now human being they do like this. They no care. What did this man do? He continued to do one. The pain got too much for this woman, this lady right here. She can't decide to give her RIP. Now see, and they continue to talk am. If you are not support this woman, say give her RIP. What you supposed to do? You supposed to just live jeje. As e be say no be wetin you want for marriage. You not just want time. Cause sometimes all those shitting, if they keep person. For me, I know fit bear am because you get wetin person dey bear. Yes. But some people they feel bear am. Some people they wait they go just their man carry a woman come as the same as wey they dey. They no care. You go still marry join them. They no care. But for me, I no agree. You know, so now see say everybody no be the same. So this very lady, so no fit do am, no fit bear am. Wetin she supposed to na to just leave jeje, carry a bag and baggages, leave the marriage. She no leave. She can't decide to give the man RIP. Na see problem. She decide to give the man RIP. Now they don't arrest the woman. Okay, now by force say you must marry the man. I understand. Maybe sometimes you go feel like you don't suffer with the man, you don't go through a lot with the man. At the end, everything don't dey okay. You as in you go just stand up one day, they do nonsense. I know. They pay, but you no need to kill am. What you need to do not to just leave the marriage. But this our sister no leave. You can't kill am, give her RIP. wahala dey. I believe this one go show some men. Not be say I support or I no support am, but e go still show some of una wey no get sense. Some of una wey dey treat woman like trash. Some of una wey dey treat woman like say nothing. Some of una wey dey treat woman like say na dog na una dey do like that. Some of una the way una dey even treat una dog, say una no dey treat una woman like that. Now this one go show una. Since una no wan get it, because no be olden days, I dey talk am. Women wey we dey see nowadays, they no get joy. They no even be like all those our mama. No dey. Before you go see the one wey be like olden days women, go hard. Now those kind ones sef, na dem still dey maltreat for inside marriage dey. Now dem still dey give me peace every day. Na there. So all those our old generation, so nothing say you go see. You wan treat am the way your papa, maybe your papa dey beat your mama, dey give am that time. You know, see the one wey you go bear am with you, wey you go dey give, dey beat am every day, go dey look you. Wetin go enter na RYP. You must still do you one thing. Na so e reach. If dem dey talk to una, no dey get sense. Una no wan hear. Una go think say person dey talk nonsense. They say every nonsense sense must dey inside. Na wetin una need to dey think. If you na reason all the old thing, say all those one, this one dey talk nonsense, the other one go talk, you must still see the one wey dey talk sense. Na no. Una go just feel una mind dey do wetin please una. You get woman for her, you go dey do wetin no make sense. So na so my people will get am reach. Just give your husband RYP. The man now don no there again. For me, if you decide, just decide for your own mind. Decide say this thing I wan just leave am, since I no want am, na so e reach. Nobody get your life for you. But some of una no dey think like that. Now go just think say na to just kill this person, na be the option. No. You kill am, you go for it. But not be the option. But if you no kill am, na you go your own, you go suffer, go dey live your life. Now wetin many people no know. Abeg my people, make una dey look wetin una dey do. Abeg na dey. Thank you all so much, guys. Stay blessed and bye bye. Subscribe to Mommy Flourish TV show. Subscribe and also follow me on my page, Mommy Flourish TV. Love you all so much. Stay blessed and bye bye. I love you all so much.